If you run a small business or work as a freelancer, you might wonder whether Retell AI is a smart investment. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons to help you decide if Retell AI fits your needs and what you should watch out for. Stick around, and if it helps you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Retell AI's biggest strength for small businesses and freelancers is its ability to automate repetitive phone tasks, like scheduling appointments, qualifying leads, answering common questions, or handling customer inquiries, while sounding remarkably human. Many users say the AI voices are natural and the timing is smooth, without the robotic pauses that plague older autocall systems. Because of that, even a solo freelancer or a small team can manage more calls and leads without hiring extra staff. It offers 24/7 availability, so you don't miss client calls outside business hours, a big plus if you juggle multiple roles or work across time zones. However, there are clear drawbacks you should know before jumping in. Retell AI has a steep learning curve. It's developer first, meaning setup, customization, and maintenance often require coding skills or technical support. For many freelancers or small business owners who lack technical background, that translates into extra time, possible frustration, or the need to hire external help. Also, because pricing is modular, per-minute usage plus telephony and AI processing, costs for regular or high call volume can add up faster than expected, which might make it less cost-effective for small-scale operations. Another concern is reliability and support. Some small business users report good results, fewer missed calls and smoother scheduling, but others mention spotty customer support, confusing billing, or account issues that disrupted service. This inconsistency means small users need to test carefully before relying heavily on it. So, who should consider Retell AI? If you run a small business or freelance, and you receive moderate to high call volume, mostly repetitive tasks like bookings, FAQs, or lead intake, and you either have some technical know-how or are okay outsourcing the setup, Retell AI can be a strong tool to save time and scale operations. But if you're just a solo worker with low call volume or want a simple plug-and-play tool, the complexity and cost may outweigh the benefit. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching.